Hi guys, I'm here today with a Stitch Fix. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and it's my happy place. I do unboxings and I do hauls and I do chat and I don't do enough at the moment. I feel like I'm slacking. But if you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, it's Stitch Fix. I've not been around as much as normal, I'm sure you've noticed, because I've been struggling a little bit with this ill health. But I saw my doc yesterday and the answer is that the thing's got to come out. So hopefully this will only be a temporary thing, that I'm a bit, yeah, just a bit less involved. But anyway, let's get on with Stitch Fix, which has been waiting. I've had to extend its checkout time. As you know with Stitch Fix, you pay £10 for a stylist to style a box for you, a box of 5 items. If you keep anything that's in the box, they take the £10 off the price of the item. If you keep the whole box, you get 20% off. When you sign up for this, you're not committed to a box every month. You can have one a year. You can have a couple a year. You can have them seasonally. I thoroughly enjoy it. I think it's brilliant because it is all postage paid and you just take it straight back to the post office. Okay, I have a give 15, get 15. Okay. And there's a code on it. Can you see that code? So I don't know, I shall do my best to put it in the bit at the bottom so that you get £15 and I get £15. Then inside you also get an envelope in which you have your, oh, I was gonna say, yo, no, there it is. My postage paid label that I then pop back on the box with anything I didn't like and just take it to the post office. Then you have your oh hello card, which has pictures of the items and a letter from your stylist. Now, I only ever read a bit of this out because I love the surprise. I genuinely love the surprise. So what does it say? Hi Fawn, I hope you're keeping safe and well. Welcome to fix number 17. Wow. I was so sorry to see you didn't like the V-neck items I included in the pre-selection I sent over to you. It's true, I was not happy with the pre-selection. I've endeavoured to source you some low price point items in this fix that still fit in with your preferences. Now that's nice because they have been creeping up the costs. Let me know how you get on, and then it starts to talk about the items. And that is from Emily, who is my stylist at Stitch Fix. Then you have your green letter that says, thanks for letting us style you, which has the prices of everything. That's the grim bit. I never look at it until I've tried everything because I'm a bit cheap. And if something is really expensive, I'm sort of put off straight away. I must say I don't spend as much as they'd like me to spend, but I have bought some pricey items just because I fell in love with them. So that stays hidden. Then inside, you get your bundle. Let's put the box over here. Here we go. First up is a pair of green shorts from Oasis. Okay, I like the brand Oasis. They are a little limp is my first sort of impression of them. There's no elastication in them at all. They are slightly baggy. I mean, I do kind of like them. I like the colour, but the fabric's got a bit of a sheen to it. And they are these ones that sort of have a kind of droopy bottom, unless you've got a wonderfully pert bum, which I don't have. Anyway, as I say, they're from Oasis, and I will happily try them on. Next is a top from Morvette. It has broderie anglais sleeves and a plain white body. It is V-neck, and I do like the turtle. I do like the tortoiseshell buttons. I've always liked tortoiseshell buttons. And it's tie front. I've got a few tie front things, so this is going to have to wow me really, because as I say, it's a bit, I've got quite a bit like this. Oh, this was the only thing that I chose out of my pre-selection to try. I recognise the pattern. It's a dress, you know me and dresses. It's by Breakburn. It's navy with flowers, little tie short sleeves. I'm not so keen on that. It is high necked, which I wished it wasn't, but I felt really guilty saying no, 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 no to everything. It does have pockets. It is an ideal sort of running around in dress. So I'm quite excited to try that one. Ooh, this is a pretty colour, I have to say. So what is unraveling? Oh, it's a dress again. Okay, this one is by Morvette. It's a shirt dress. Could be a challenge. I really like the colours. I think those colours are fabulous. Roll tab sleeves that obviously are not going to stay rolled. Button through, genuine button through, ladies. Pockets. I mean, oh, if I was slim, do you know, I'd have shirt dresses like this in just about every colour under the sun. But they are a challenge for somebody who's got bumps and bulges that want to stick out when you sit down or bend over. But I really do like it, so I'm looking forward to trying it. And then last but not least is a pair of, ooh, trousers. Yes, trousers. Again by Morvette. They're navy. I thought they were going to be cropped or something. They're not. They're just plain navy ponty trousers. I like that they've got a sort of, I don't know if this will come across, there's a black stripe that runs down the side. I do like a pair of comfortable trousers. Pockets. So, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say that they were necessarily of the season. Not what I was expecting, but potentially they could be really nice and I would be happy to keep them. So that's it. That's my 5 items. All of these were in a size 18. And this is where I find that an 18 won't fit me either. Girls, having this gallbladder thing, not being allowed to sort of eat the things I normally eat, I'm eating things I never eat. And my body is going, what? Okay, we're going to stick that on your hip and that goes on your bum and that goes on your belly. Don't know what I'm going to do, honestly. Anyway, let's try them on. Okay, outfit number 1. I don't have to stand back quite so far. These shorts are awful. They don't fit. Disclaimer straight away. They need to be about another ½ an inch, maybe, to do up properly. But even if they did do up properly, I don't like them. They are so limp and sort of, I don't have words really. They're just very dish raggy. They're like a pair of shorts that you've bought that were lovely and great and have been washed too many times and they've become this sort of, no, not for me, even if the fit was there. As for the top, it's okay. I have tops that are somewhat similar. I tend not to wear very bright white. This is a true bright white. I don't know. I don't feel good in it. I don't feel that it's really doing anything for me. I don't like the fact that the broderie anglais is sort of an off-white and then this is a blaring white. It clings everywhere. It's just, I think this has to be one of the ugliest outfits I've worn. And not ugly because it's, you know, come from China for £3.50 and is a funny colour. This is just bad styling and ugly. I kept the white top on to try the navy trousers. These are really comfortable. They always are. I find these ones from the boxes are very, very comfortable. I think they're a nice fit. They feel quite good over the bum. There seems to be a bit of excess, but not too much. I do like, I'm sure it's not coming over, I'm hoping it is, that there's a black stripe cutting through the navy. The pockets are in a funny position though. They're not here, they're here. And I'm not sure if that's flattering on me because of course almost all of my weight is here. So I do like them a lot. They are very comfortable. If you're looking for trousers for traveling ladies, you know, days like these are comfortable trousers. I'm just not 100% sure that A, they suit me, and B, I need them. I think I bought those black ones the other day and I think I still prefer those. but that could all change when I watch it back on the video. I thought I'd put on the dress that I was convinced wouldn't fit, and actually it fits and fits beautifully. I love the pockets, you know me. I like the length. I think the length is nice. It comes up slightly at the sides like a shirt would, but not excessively. I think it's a nice length on the back. I'm not sure about the limp belt. It has a sort of a grandad collar, which is a little high, but not too high. I can open it. It does have these bloody awful sleeves that are, well, I don't know, are they meant to be roll up? Because if they're roll up, then you see this hideous inside of the fabric. Or are they meant to just do this sort of odd concertina thing on the arm? Will they undo? Let's see, shall we? Obviously it'll be creased, but yeah, could be worn like that with the sleeve out, which I don't know, I think possibly I prefer, to be fair. It is a really nice dress, and I am so pleased that this 18 is a true 18 because I have lots of room in it. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's going to strain anywhere when I sit down. I think the colour might be great, or might be awful. Gonna have to let me know, ladies. I sort of feel like it might be great. Yeah. I think I like it. Last but not least, the Breakburn dress, and I think I like it, ladies. Again, it's an 18. It's fitting really well. Love pockets. I like the length of this. This is just on the knee, so I feel completely age appropriate, which I know I'm not supposed to care about, but I do. I haven't done these up. These are the only sort of irritating thing. I think I'd have to do them up when I haven't got the dress on, if you follow me, because I just can't manage to tie a neat knot. It is high necked, but I think because of the pattern, I think I'm getting away with the fact that it comes much higher than I normally would wear a dress. Yeah, we'll give you a twirl. All in all, I think I like it. I think it's a good, everyday, getting on with life dress. Ooh, so I've got two dresses I like and a pair of trousers. What a shame I don't like the top and shorts. I could almost have had a 5 for 5, but then I also have to see the prices. So let's do that, shall we? So there we go. That was a much better try on than I thought it was going to be, I have to say. I've got my box ready to put in the things that I know I don't like. And now I face the dreaded prices. Let's see. First up are the shorts. As you know, I didn't like them from the get-go. They're this limp fabric. I would never have picked them up in a shop. I don't really know who limp shorts suit. These are by Oasis. They're the D-ring short in olive, and they were £28, which is, it's not a bad price for a pair of shorts, but you can pick up this sort of thing in Sainsbury's for about 15. So obviously it's a no. Then we have the Morvette tie front top. I'm just bringing it in so you can see what I'm talking about with the sort of cream on this and white on that, and it's just, it's a blinding white, which not for me. I mean, we'd go through my washing machine once and it wouldn't be blinding white, let me tell you. Anyway, it's by Morvette and it's called the Tessa tie front with broderie anglais sleeves. Again, it was in an 18 and it's £34. I mean, there's no way. That is not worth £34 to me. Yeah, no, it's not. So that's going back. Now we get into the things that I did like. So first up, we'll go with the trousers. I really liked these trousers. They are beautifully soft and beautifully comfortable. They are by, let's just double check, Morvette. They are the Elsa side stripe Ponte trouser in navy, and they're £39. I really like them, guys. This is a maybe, I think. I think I'm going to have to watch the video back. They're beautifully soft. I like the navy colour. They're not really season appropriate, but again, I'm going to try and show you. I love this black stripe on the navy. It's very subtle, but it's there. So they're going to go on the maybe pile, because I think £39 is not a hideous price for a pair of trousers. Or is it a hideous price for a pair of trousers? You're going to have to help me out. And then we've got the two dresses, both of which I like, as you know. First up, we'll do the Brakeburn one. The Brakeburn is the Meadow Flower dress in navy, size 18, and it is £44.95. I mean, that's a bit for a dress, isn't it? I mean, it's not the cheapest in the world, but depending on how it washes and wears, I could see myself wearing this for a very long time to come. So again, I think I'm going to have to look back at the video, but I'm really tempted to keep that one, ladies. I need your help. And last but not least is this number, which again I really liked. Love the green, love the cotton, love the fact that it just fits just beautifully. This one is by Morvet. It's called the Noel Printed Sheared collar. I'd call that a grandad collar. In green, of course, size 18, and this one was 45. So I've got a couple to think about, because I really do like those three things, but I don't qualify for the discount unless I keep all five, and I'm not keeping these shorts and top. So the grand numbers are, if I was to keep it all, it would originally have cost £190.95. They would then give me a buy all discount of 20%, which would take £38 off. And then my order subtotal would be £152.76. Which again, I always say this, it's a good price when you look at it like that. They would also take off the £10 styling fee, so it would come out at £142.76. But that's not what it is for me. So if I was to keep the two dresses, let's call them both 45. I mean, why 44.95? Really, come on. So that's £90, and then the trousers as well. I would be looking at £129 for the three items. And this is where the logic comes in. You see, that's £129. If I was to keep all five, it'd be 142. So the shorts and the t-shirt work out as being about £14 or something. Unfortunately, I really don't like them, so it's not going to work for me, and I don't know that I can spend £129 for two dresses and a pair of trousers. Ooh, I do hate maths. Right, so that's it. That was my stitch fix. I've got to remember as well that I've got a white stuff sale haul to do, which I may do immediately after this actually. That would really help me bounce it back and forth, wouldn't it? And I also popped into Primark yesterday. Not that I did very well, I have to say. It was mobbed. But yeah, that might help me get my brain, I was going to say get my brain going, but help me figure out whether they're worth it. Anyway, that's me, and I'm chuntering. I'll see you really, really soon. In fact, I'll see you in 5 more minutes when I do the white stuff haul. Okay, bye guys.